the email, you can do Control C or you can do Command C for the Mac and copy, and then Control V or Command V and paste it. But when you do it, it's going to put it like right on top. So I like the Alt key when I want to drag it down quickly because it keeps my alignment. So I'm going to go and change this top one from user email to, and well, by the way, when you have the logged in user, you are using the user's collection, and you're getting that one record of the person who's logged in. So I want to display his full name. And you'll notice that because I copied, I don't have to do all that format again. It's already done for me. So if I run in again here, and if I don't log out because the memory is kept on this application, it will automatically just display my home screen because I'm already logged in, even though I'm not logged in per se to the app, but I am because it keeps it remembers persistence that information. And now you'll see I got my name and my user email. All right, so that shows you a little bit about the information. Now let me see how far we are in the recording process here so that I don't go over. Yeah, okay, I went over. It's all right. Continuing on, I've already marked it. So now we got to see how we can display the user's information using magic text, and we're going to go through that more than one time. So it's not like, oh my gosh, what did you just do so fast? You can also go and rewind and watch it again. But it's really that simple, so it's not that complex to remember that. But even if you don't remember it, I will be mentioning it many times in this series, so don't worry about it too much. Okay, so we talked about how after you log in, you're going to be displayed this information by using the magic text through a label that we dragged on text component that we dragged onto the home screen. Now, I wanted to talk to you about this thing earlier, right? I showed you that when you drag in the form, that it pre-populates using the collection that is selected. So I'm going to create another collection here. I'm going to call this maybe groups. All right. And by default, when you create a collection, it's going to automatically give you a field called name. Now, you don't have to use the word name, but you cannot get rid of the first field, and nor can you change the type. It's kind of locked, which I don't know exactly why they do that, but maybe there's a reason somewhere. So I'm going to just say group name like this. And now what I have done is I've created a new table or collection called groups. And then I can go over here and I can change this to groups. And because I only have one field and it only auto-populates, and it even says enter group name for the placeholder and group name at the top for the field, which is very nice because I don't have to do a lot in order to figure out how to populate the collection easily. It's really great. So go back to users, log in, we already know that. Okay, so there is the basics for the forms, and for after you log in, presenting and showing data that you got that was stored in memory in the collection that's available to us. And I will show you that actually that is a way we pass data around, is by making the collection data available, a record or a list of records that are available to us in order for us to display data and use data in our application. Okay, because in the earlier video I was kind of long, so in this one I'm gonna really be limiting myself, so I'm gonna basically stop right now and I will continue in the next video. For watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.